Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Louis Ihuefo. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I highlight a scalp after doing a frontal installation. So you guys can see here in the video, it's looking plain, like you can actually see the lace. It's not giving the scalp illusion. So I'm going to start off by getting a very flat brush and a foundation. So now I'm going to just rub it on the brush like that, and then I'm going to carefully follow the lines to make sure it's really straight and then apply it on that part. If you like this video, please give it a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you always be notified whenever I post a video. So you guys, I'm going to get a powder palette. So I'm going to be using the exact shade the makeup artist used for highlighting, because that's the shade that will suit the scalp. That's what will give it that scalp illusion. So then I'm going to just tap on the powder, the exact shade I want, and then walk it through on the lines I use, on the line rather I used my foundation earlier. So you guys, the reason why we didn't get the actual highlights for this frontal is because I didn't do the bald method, because the weather is really hot and I wouldn't want something that will make the frontal not stay down for long. So if it was just the installation we did today, would have allowed her go like that. But since she has makeup, we just want something that will correspond with what is on her face. So it gives this realistic look. So that's why I'm using this product to highlight the scalp. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know, like I always say, sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below, and I promise you guys I'm going to come through. So I love you all to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.